You might think this rule would already be in place, but lawmakers are considering a new bill that would mandate principals notify parents if their child is Baker acted during the school day. You may recall that very thing happened to a local family whose story we've been following all week. Alicia Montalongo is a student at Wolfson High School, and this past Monday, school officials had her taken to a mental health facility after they say she made some troubling comments. Her family told us they weren't notified until they arrived to pick her up from school. As Channel 4's Ashley Harding shows us, the proposed law would put a policy in place that principals would have to follow.
I mean, your first instinct is to think, well, of course the school's going to call the parent. That's the first thing they're going to do.
Denise Marzullo is the president and CEO of Mental Health America. She's one of many surprised to learn there's no requirement for schools to call parents if their child is committed to a mental hospital.
I think it's horrible that a parent would be at home waiting for their child to come home from school. They don't come home from school. I mean, a million things run through your mind. Probably one of the last things would be an inpatient.
Alicia.
That's exactly what happened to the family of 15-year-old Alicia Montalongo this past Monday. They say Wolfson High School officials had her committed during the school day and failed to tell them about it until they arrived to pick her up. But under a new law making its way through Tallahassee, if a student was committed, responsibility would fall to school principals to make a call and let parents or guardians know exactly what's going on. Marzullo says this bill takes out the guesswork and protects schools as well.
There's so much concern about privacy and all of our HIPAA privacy laws. And so I think that principals are probably not sure what they're supposed to do. Are they supposed to call the parents? Is that violating something?
And it doesn't just apply to incidents right at school. The bill also covers incidents where students are removed from school buses and field trips. Plus, if there's a case where a parent or guardian is suspected of abuse, abandonment, or neglect, principals can delay notifying them for up to 24 hours. But there is a catch to that. Delay in notification can only happen if the abuse or neglect has been reported to the DCF tip line. Ashley Harding, Channel 4, the local station.